First step, what you're going to do is, this is after complete your app. After you will complete your app, now you are going to upload into the Google Play Store, right? So first process, we have to set the app icon. We have to set the app icon. So you go to the Google and type app icon generator. App icon generator. You just type on the app icon generator. You have to get this site. Here, this one, launch icon generator. This one, Android as of this one. You click on this. This is the best site. I recommend that you have to do it. Right now, what you're going to do is, if you have any images in your folder, okay, if you are having images, what you're going to click on this image. You have to browse those image. Okay, you have to browse the image. Yeah, imagine here, this is the image I have created as my app icon. You have to create the app icon, okay, as an image. Okay, uh, you have to use the Photoshop, Canva. Those are the tools you have which you use to create the app icons. Okay, app images. Okay, that image we have to convert as an icon. That image we have convert as icon. So this is the image I have created using the Canva tool. Right, open it. Like this is the image. Now if you have to, here this image is fixed on the screen like this. See, this is the this of the, it is a it will be fixed on the screen. So you can see here it's successfully fixed. Here you can adjust the screen size. Right, perfect. Right. So after that, what you're going to do is, here we have another circle. You have a square. You have to make it as a square. Just square type. This is your app design size. Here it's a square. So you already know uh, the square size of the app. Okay, you can see there are many options here. Tail rack, like this, wild rack. Okay, so this is the circle, right? This is circle. If you want this is circle, as a square, what you recommend, have select as square type. This is I like this one, square type, right? So after that, what you're going to square type, let's do it here. Padding, yeah, let's increase little bit bigger. Right, perfect. Right, it's perfect. Right, you can see here. Okay, the icon is must when you are doing the icon. Right, after the under icon, I'm going to download them. That you have to download them. Right, it will download it here. To download, I download it. It's a file. I just copy this. I'm going to create a folder. This is my app, which name is I'm going to create as Code Funny. Code Funny. So you create a separate folder for the relevant app creation. Now you have to extract them, the files, the icons, right? The zip file, I don't need them. I have to get rid of these lines. You can see here. This is the icon. You have to submit on the Play Store. Okay, this is the icon. You have to submit on the Play Store, right? So here, this is the icon. Your icon you have to submit on the Play Store. This is the look like, right? You have to submit on the Google Play Store, right? That's the thing. We have to do it, right? Okay. Now what you're going to do is, after done the stuff, what I'm going to do is here. Let's go back to here, this icon we have created successfully. Now I'm going to go to put into that icon into your app, right? So the icon should be here. uh, Now here, you created the icon, so here you, the default what is icon, it should be there here. If you go to the Android, this is Android. Okay, here you will be able to see the folder which is Android on your Flutter folder architecture. If you expand it, there is another folder which is an app. Inside the app, you have a SRC folder. Inside the SRC folder, there is a folder called main. Main, here RES folder, resource folder. It's nothing but resource. If you expand it, here you can see the mini MIP map. Okay, launcher PNG. If you click on this, This is the current icon inside your app. This is your current icon. This is a default icon should be set. Okay, if you are not changing the icon, this is the default icon should be set. Instead of this icon, we have set it as our project icon. Now easily we have replaced the icon. Instead of that, what you're going to do is you go to the here pub, okay, pubs, this one. This is the main file. So here we have to put into one dependencies. Right? You have to put in the dependency. Okay, so icon dependency. So how to do the task? You go to the Google and you have to type that name pub.dev. We get all the dependencies of the dart packages, right? So you click on this all the libraries and dependency you have to get it here, right? What the dependency you have to type it here is Flutter launch icon. So you just type launcher icon, Flutter launcher icon, click on this. Okay, press enter key on your keyboard. Now this is here, this is the first result. You click on this here, this is the your icons. Okay, here you can see, if you go below you can see this icon. You can set it to windows, as windows, all the things, web, all things you will be able to outset they given. At the moment we are setting to our Flutter. So what you're going to do is here you just copy it here you have to copy the clipboard here, right? Copy it. After that what you're going to do is go back to our project pubs file here, pubs spc, this file, click on here, right? This file you go to the dev dependency. Under the dev dependency you have to paste it. Okay, so here they explain there you have to space under the dev dependencies. Okay, so you have to keep follow the instructions. So here you can place it here. Press tab key on your keyboards. You have to alignment correctly. You have to paste it. Control V to paste it. That's it. Right? That's the thing. You have to do it. Right? After done the stuff, make sure file save all. Okay, here. Now here you are. Now here this one should be updating. This dependency is updating. Right. After that, what we are going to do is we have to do another thing. Here you can see here there is another thing, Flutter launcher icon. This one also we have to attach. So you have to copy up to this image path. Okay, we don't need to copy this all. We need only here, right? So just copy this libraries. Control C to copy back to my project. Here you have to press enter key on your keyboard. Here you have to paste it over here. Right. So here keep in mind your Flutter launcher icon will be aligned set it as a dev dependency. This one you have set as the Flutter. Okay, Android iOS image. Okay, you the same like a documentation. Yeah? You see the document, same thing you have to do it here as well. Otherwise it won't work. Okay, be careful. Right. So this is one should be the not launcher icon. It you have to make it as a true. That's it. That's the thing you have to write it. Right. After that, what you're going to do is you already created the Android icon. Okay, you have to already created the Android icon. It should be here, right? So I make it as this one as our logo. I just name it as logo. This one, right? So this is logo, right? This one with this image we needed when we submit the Play Store image. So okay, this one is a logo. Our logo. This logo. Okay, this one I have get it from our that I have shown into this one, this launcher. Okay, here this one we are download them. These are two files we are getting, right? This logo. What you're going to do is I will put inside it to our assets folder. Asset folder, it's not coming here. Defaultly it's not defaultly coming here. You have to make the folder here. Right click, new folder. Okay, you have to click new folder. This folder you have to name it as assets. Okay, you name it as assets. This folder you have to name it as assets. Right? Inside the asset also click on this. Again you have to create the right click and create a new folder, that is images. Right? Inside the images folder I have to put it here. Put it to that logo png. So what you're going to see here, inside here you have to get it here. Go inside this folder, you right click, select and right click. You have to select reveal file explorer. Now you have to go inside the images folder. Here you have a 3 images there. You have these 3 images. Now I'm going to put it my this one, this logo. I just copy it. I paste it here. Right, it came. Right, it came back here. Now you can see it. Logo.png should be there. Right. Now what you're going to do is you have to give the path correctly. Right. So assets, there is a folder assets. Inside the assets folder, we have a images. If you want, you can make it as this one as a icon. Okay. So I accidentally create this name as images. When you create you create as icons, right? So here I have to change icon as images, right? Images, right? So here the png, what is the png? Logo png. So here write logo, not icon, logo png. That's it, right? Keep the steps. This is must, right? After done the stuff, you file, save on. Right, you have to wait until the pub all the changes would be made. Right, after that what you're going to do is you have to do it here. You have to I have control C. You have to control C to get the terminal. You have to terminal, already your terminal is running. You have to stop it, control plus C. You have to Y. You have to close it. Yeah, I have to close the terminal. Right now here I'm going to, after done this all the changes, better you have to clear the cache. Okay, you have to clear the cache and all. So how to clear the cache? You have to write the command flutter. You have to clear the build cache, all the build caches. Flutter clean. Make sure. Okay, this one you have to do it. This is very must. All the cache will be clear if you have done this. Right. After that, what you are going to do is you have to do another thing. After done the stuff, you have to go here. You have to run the this one. Here run the package here. Pub flutter pubget. This command you have to run it. Flutter pubget. Right. Everything is fine. Would be fine. After that, what you're going to do is we have to generate the flutter icon. You have to run this command flutter pub run flutter launch icon. You copy this command, paste it over here, press enter key on your keyboard. This one should be launch. Okay, if there is any problem, it will be on success. Okay, let me see. Okay, it will build the package and all the executable file. Right, if it is succeed, you all the icon should be works. Right, here you get the message success generate the icons. Congratulations, you have done the icon successfully. Flutter icon you successfully have done. Right, if you want to if you want to check it whether it succeed or not, you have to go to the Android app, src, main, res. Here you have to go here the this one mbb here launch icon. Here it will be change it as what the icon we are given, the change the icon will be changed. Okay, what the icon we have gave it changed according to our icon. Here it will be changed successful.